Hello everyone! I'm Goong-gumi, a Korean pharmacist. Lots of foreigners visiting Korea only think of Olive Young's as the place to buy beauty products. But the real goodies are in pharmacies as well. So, I'm going to introduce you to Korean pharmacy products, aka over-the-counter medicines, that can be really helpful for your skincare. Be sure that these OTC products can only be bought in pharmacies. These are the things that I would like to recommend you guys today to help heal and calm your skin. Let's take a look at them one by one. When I was a little Goong-gumi about 3 decades ago, I used to scratch my knees a lot. My mom that put this Soul Care ointment on my bloody knees, and over a few days, my wound was healed thanks to the ointment. Soul was used over several decades and is very popular and traditional ointment in Korea. But as you can see, the title says Soul gel or powder, not the ointment. What's the difference? Soul Care ointment contains antibiotics called gentamicin and centella extract to prevent bacterial infection. But the gel or powder type contains only centella extract as the ingredient. So the question is, what does centella do? This is Centella asiatica, a medicinal herb that helps regenerate your skin and calm red, irritated skin. So it is widely used in cosmetics, OTC ointments, and even hydrocolloid bandages in Korea. So if you have acne or any other skin problems, you may try this Centella asiatica for its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-aging effect. The best way to use Soul gel or powder is to mix either one of these with your skincare products and apply it to your skin on a daily basis. It's even better when you put dexpanthenol ointments additionally. In Korean pharmacies, there are various ointments containing dexpanthenol, so you may buy any dexpanthenol ointment you like to mix with Soul. One little thing, Soul powder was originally used to stop wound from oozing. To do this, it contains talc, and talc may block your skin pore, leading to dry skins. So for those of you who are not compatible with cosmetics containing talc, be sure to refrain from using Soul powder as well. These are the ointments for skin regeneration. You may recall dexpanthenol ointment from the last slide, which helps with dry skin and other skin problems. It is usually used for diaper rashes. Stimorin-S cream contains wheat sprout extract, and it is used to heal wounds faster. This cream is very mild and can be used for sensitive skin. So babies or even dogs with wounds can be treated with this cream. EGF ointments containing epidermal growth factor also helps to heal wounds without leaving scars. In Korea, it is normally used on patients after plastic surgeries. Mibo ointment contains a kind of plant sterols called beta-cytosterol and has unique oily smell to it. It is commonly used to treat burns, and because of its anti-inflammatory effect, it is also used for skin recovery. These OTC products do not contain antibiotics nor steroids. So if you're planning on finding OTC products for long-term use, I'm sure that these ointments might be pretty useful for you. Why eye drops? You might think it is weird that Goong-gumi recommends eye drops for skincare all of a sudden. As you can see, these eye drops containing PDRN, short for polydeoxyribonucleotide, was originally used to heal cornea wounds or conjunctival injuries. Because PDRN is monomer of DNA, it is proved to heal damages done to various parts of your body, including joints and gums. So this PDRN eye drops can be used on your skin to heal your dry, damaged skin as well. That's it for today. If you have more questions or things you want to learn more about, feel free to leave a comment. Bye! 안녕!